So as a driver, you have to enter a different way because of the obscurity of the steering wheel, right? So I'm going to walk to the car, turn away from the car. Usually I hold on to the steering wheel and sit. I'm in. Then I'm holding on, legs together. Notice I curve my legs. I slanted them a bit. Okay? So let's do that again. This is an SUV, so it's a little elevated than a regular car. I walk to the car, turn away from it, sit in the car, get a good leverage, hold on, slant my legs, and in. Because of the steering wheel. You can't bring them straight in, right? When I'm leaving, I'm holding on again, slant, and I'm out. Ready? Let's try that. Car, please. Turn away from the car. Sit. Hold up. Yes. So you slanted the other way, which is quite fine. Whichever way is comfortable for you. Now it's time. Is the chair, is it too high? Okay, so relax. Okay. Now it's time to exit. Hold on to the steering wheel and the chair if you like, and exit. Good. Strategy, strategy, strategy. How did that feel? Okay. Yeah, right? Being in the real situation. Let's turn away from the car. Sit. Oh, that's so ladylike. Love it. And exit. Love it. Now show me how you usually enter. To it. One leg at a time, right? Oh, we know we don't want to do that. So now we know how to actually do it, right? To keep those legs together, to look graceful. Whether you're wearing pants, shorts, a dress, or skirt, keeping those legs together is so important. Now, let's head over to the passenger side, okay?